Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg. Today we're going to take a look at the British pound Australian dollar. I'm out here on the 15-minute chart. As you can see here, we've had this strong bullish move up here, and we're just starting to base in with a bit of structure on this level here. So what am I expecting from this pair? Well, this may continue. But ultimately, I'm looking for a manipulation of this level here with a potential to a drop down to here. As we all know, this is a pound pair. ATR being quite high, traders will like to position themselves as close to the action as possible. All eyes will be focused on this move up, and people will want to try and pinch off a piece of this move in order to ride the market higher. We know that the best place for stops is below here. However, there's a strong possibility that all the retail traders will be positioned under this level. You've potentially got some retracement traders already, in the fact that it has already bounced off this little 618, so there's likely to be some more stops here. So what I'm looking for is a nice little level for this to bounce from. If we jump out to the 60, there is a potential for this little level to come into play here, and also this little level here. So we can see that this has captured quite a lot of price action in this little zone. We draw a nice little box here. Let's see if that drags left. Indeed it does. And it's acted as support and resistance in the past. So what I'm looking for is essentially a manipulation of this level for the market to come down, clean out all of these stops. Obviously, if they're buying, those stops are sell orders. And what do the banks and institutions need in order to fill their buys? Of course, they need sellers. So I'm looking for a manipulation of this lower level and the market to rally higher. Now obviously I'll leave targets up to you. If we do get down as far as this level, then obviously wise move maybe to take a portion at the top. We don't know what the stop's going to be yet. We don't know how far this is going to push down, but certainly to the top of the channel is going to be 100 plus points. And if we get a break through that level, then you can see that we do have a ways to travel, and you could potentially look certainly a bit further for a bigger target. Like I said, I'll leave targets up to you. However, this is quite a decent zone that I'm looking at. If you like this sort of content, please don't forget to give it a like, give it a share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button. And as always, don't forget to trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.